welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video. So today we are gonna go over my January empties. I'm actually on time this month. So without any further ado, let's just jump right into it and get started. So first category, I think we're just gonna knock out all the nail care. There isn't that much stuff. So I finished, oops, always knocking things over. Finished 2 bottles of nail polish remover. Like I said, I'm in the process of swatching all my nail polish. Currently, where I'm at now, I have, again, just things everywhere, if you didn't know. France, Arizona, just all over the place. Here I have about 600 polishes, so I'm just trying to get through, catalog them, swatch them. If you like nail polish, please make sure you follow my nail polish Instagram. It's polish.nomad. I will link it down below. I mostly just do indies, just so everyone's aware. There's not really any mainstream polishes on there, but if you're into flaky goodness and shifting shimmers, then please make sure you give that a follow. So 2 bottles of acetone. I also finished a little vial of the acetone additive. This one's from Anchor and Heart. It's called Smooth Sailing. So this is just some oils that you put inside of polish remover when it's 100% pure acetone, just to kind of take down the harshness. It has oils in it that helps moisturize the nails. So you still get the same effect of acetone with getting all the polish off quickly, but not the harshness that it will do to your skin. So this is great. And then that's all my nail care stuff. So next, let's do body care. So sticking with Anchor and Heart, I have their Coastal Custard Body Cream. This is amazing. I really liked it. It was my first time using their body cream. It was very thick. The only drawdown is this was a very small tub. It's only 2 ounces. So I went through it pretty quickly. I'm pretty sure they have bigger sizes, but I probably just won't be ordering it until I get through some of my other lotions. The scent was Jack Frost. It smelled very great, like very nice, minty, fresh. So I liked that a lot. I would definitely repurchase this. What do I have next? Body care. So I went over these last time in my December empties, but I have 2 more of the Bee's Knees Lacquer meringues. They are just a creamy soap that's in a tub. Meringue is the perfect name for it because it's kind of like a thick buttercream frosting texture. The scents I have were Lady Death and Heartmates. I liked both of these. They smelled great. I repurchased the Heartmates, even though I said I wasn't going to. But as I said before, Bee's Knees Lacquer is going to be going out of business pretty soon. The owner is just having some health issues. So I wanted to get my hands on some of that before I couldn't anymore. And then Lady Death also smelled great. The name is a little bit off-putting. I had everyone who saw this on my kitchen sink is where I had this one. They, without fail, made a comment about it. I also have another tub of the KB Shimmer Sugar Scrub. I keep these in my shower, usually go through 1 a month. This was the scent Under the Sea. I liked it a lot. It smelled very salty, fresh, like the ocean. I'm ready to be at the beach. All right, after that, I only have 1 makeup product, but I'm so happy about it. I don't usually finish foundations very often, but this is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. This was shade 120 Classic Ivory. Can't believe I finished this. You can even see I scraped some of it around. There's little holes here. I really like this foundation. I even bought another one. So I have that coming to me. I like the matte and poreless over the dewy and smooth. I don't find it very mattifying because I don't typically like a very matte foundation. However, I do find that it covers my pores really well, which is why I just love this so much. After that, that leaves us with skincare and fragrance. So I finished this deodorant, not very exciting. This was the Schimits natural deodorant in coconut and pineapple. So I wanted to try natural deodorant. I also have this one. This is the Malin and Goetz Botanical deodorant. This was just like a little sample size that I got from Cult Beauty. I liked this one more than this one, but I don't think natural deodorant's for me. That's my dog. She's barking at horses probably. So it's like the dead of winter here, and I live on a farm. I've mentioned that. It is cold. I use a fireplace to heat the house here. Like, that's the kind of farm life I'm talking about. There's no central heat, and you could still smell me with this natural deodorant. So it's weird. I would understand if it was a little bit warmer, but I'm wearing like 3 jackets in the middle of winter in January. You should not be smelling me for natural deodorant. I understand that your body has to purge the aluminum, supposedly. I don't really know too much about it. Just kind of wanted to get up on the popular train with the natural deodorant, but I wasn't really a fan. I don't sweat a lot. I don't really normally smell, so I'm just gonna stick to normal deodorant. I also finished this Lancome Bifacial Face. So it's just a little micellar water, a little makeup remover. I got this, I think, with a gift with purchase with Lancome. I also finished this Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. This was like my second little sample size of this. This is great. You get these all the time in samples, and I'm a sucker for those gift with purchases where you get the little goodie bags from Ulta with a bunch of little samples. It always suckers me in. I would never buy this full price. It's fairly expensive, and I don't think it does that much for the price, but I do like using it. So I'll continue to get them in the little samples, but I would never purchase the full size. I also have no other serums. So I have this Keys Soul Care. This was like a little moisturizer, just a skin transformation cream. It was nice. I use this for my nighttime moisturizer. It smelled okay. It was nice and thick. It didn't really stand out that much. I didn't hate it, but it got the job done. It was fine. I have this. It's a little sachet. Sorry, I try not to keep these, but because I had so little this month, I figured why not? So this was the Superberry Hydrate and Glow Dream Mask. And then I also have the Dream Eye Cream, both from Youth to the People. The eye cream I absolutely loved. It was so hydrating. I bought the full size after purchasing this. So this was a definite win from me, the eye cream. The Dream Mask was okay. I see it on sale a lot. I may pick it up if I saw it on sale. It was a really great sale, but other than that, I probably would not. After that, I have 2 cleansers. So I have the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser, and then this is the Acure Brightening Cleansing Gel. So I didn't like either of these. I thought that I would really like this in the little squeezy tube. I thought it was unique, but I did not like it. Once you kind of got, 2/3 of the way done, it was actually really hard to squeeze it out of the tube. I didn't want to cut it, but it just wasn't great. It's kind of like that applesauce package, that you give little babies. You can't really get the end of it, and I didn't like that. The gel was nice. It was very citrusy, I remember. I liked it. It was a little bit on the stripping side, if I had anything to say about the gel. If this wasn't in this package, I'd probably be more interested in repurchasing it, but the packaging just completely cuts it out for me. And then as far as the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser, I keep wanting to like Fresh. I keep wanting to like their products, but I just don't. And I don't know if I'm the only one. Please let me know in the comments. Is this just an overhyped brand? I'm trying to figure it out because I've purchased products quite a few years ago. I remember I purchased a really expensive face cream, and I ended up returning it because I could not stand the smell. And I like earthy scents, but it was just really potent. It was not great. And for the money, I couldn't justify even getting through it. This is the same. I don't like this. Please let me know if I'm the only one. Something I did like, this is the Honey Potion from Farmacy, the hydration mask. I loved this. This was great. I do plan on repurchasing this. I will probably purchase the new one though. It's like the hydration plus something with ceramides or something. It's supposed to be the step up. I will probably purchase the full size of that once I get through some of my other masks, but I absolutely loved this. It was a very hydrating and I loved the warming sensation. I also went through the Ofra Peptide Complex Series Brightening Mask. This was fine, nothing to write home about. I'm not purchasing from Ofra right now, so at least for right now. That might change in the future, just throwing that out there. Next thing I have to go through are just my little fragrance vials. I am almost done with all my little sample size fragrances, and I can't wait to be finished. On one end, I love all those little sample bags that I was just talking about, but on the other end, you have to actually use them if you're gonna use that as an incentive to buy something. So I'm just trying to get through all my clutter and finally use some of my fragrances that I have back there, maybe not just have them as a display. So the first one that I had is the Alien Goddess. This is their new one, I believe. I don't know how to say this brand, Mugler, no idea. But I purchased this in the full size. I really, really liked it. Don't ask me the scent, but I don't like the Angel, but I did like the Goddess. This was the Carolina Herrera Good Girl. I do actually already own this one. It's just not in France. It's still in the process of being sent over here. This was the Kayali Utopia Vanilla Coconut. And then this was the Lancome La Vie Belle. The Lancome one I also own. I like this one a lot. It's just a staple fragrance that I think is just one that you have to have if you're a fragrance collector. So I already own this one in Arizona again. And then this one, the Utopia Vanilla Coco. This is on my wish list. It's $88 for the full size. I loved it, but I just can't justify buying new fragrances right now. So it's gonna sit on the back burner. Maybe Huda Beauty will do something for some kind of holiday coming up. I'm sure they will. And any kind of discount, I'm a sucker, 10, 15%, not that much, save some sales tax. But that will entice me to buy it, and then I probably will then. But other than that, that is all my empties for January. I know this was a little bit of a smaller empties video, but that's okay. I want to actually show the products that I used up, not just use them and dump them down the sink or something just so I have more empty products to show you. Either way, that's wasteful. The whole point of this is to show products that I actually used up and give reviews on them. That's all that I have for everyone today. So if you like empty videos, please give this video a like, subscribe. I'm a brand new channel, just trying to get maybe 5 subscribers would be nice. One of them's my sister, hello, but 4 would be good. Let me know down in the comments what products you've been using, what you're trying to use up. I know a lot of these are little samples, but that's kind of what I'm focusing on right now. And I will see everyone in the next one. Bye.